What's up, YouTube fam? I'm back. You already know what time it is. We got my boy Joe car in the back. We picked that up yesterday, and we got mines in the back right there. It's pretty fucking bright out here, and we're gonna go back on the inside so y'all can really see me and see what's going on. So what we finna do is, I got some carbon parts going on the hood, got a carbon deck lid, I got quad tips finna go on, and I'm gonna be installing a boost gauge. Not saying all that's gonna be one video, but it's gonna probably be a couple videos. For right now, I'm finna get probably the carbon fiber on the hood, and maybe the exhaust tips. In the next video, I do the deck lid and the boost gauge. So I'm finna set the camera up so y'all can see me fight with this exhaust, because it's terrible trying to get it off, man. It's super hard trying to get it off. I got one side off. I had to pry it off like crazy. You can see I'm all dusty and dirty. We finna lay on the ground, finna get this thing taken care of, and hopefully it look good, man. So this is what we working with. As you can see, I got the quad tips, the quad valence, and that's the stock muffler. That's the MBRP muffler that's going on. You see I got that side off. It's just super tight in there, man. That damn muffler been on there forever. So I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere, and we're gonna try to get this thing on off. So that y'all can see me. You see what I'm doing? Got a little ratchet to do right here. This one off. Hopefully it ain't too bad like the other one. The other one was fucking terrible. This one ain't on this far though, so we about to see. I got some oil leaks I need to fix. It's burning oil, which all Gen 1s do, so that's nothing new. And then some oil back here in the back comes from somewhere. Tight spot. Should have gave you a sign clip. Everything. Get in here. I'm pretty sure there's a better way to get the damn thing out of here. That's all I got right now. Got me a chick, I got a chick. Alright, so I'm back. Couldn't figure out how to get that motherfucker off. So, this is what we about to do. We're gonna do some old crazy shit. I don't plan on using it no more, so should work out pretty good. I just hate that I can't get all the way to the back. I want to, but might be able to do this. Kind of twist it a little bit. We're gonna try to get all the way to the back. We close. Because I'm gonna cut my muffler. Close. I could be able to pry it open a little bit. There, shit. I just don't want to cut the whole damn exhaust piece. Look like we might have to. Let this bitch spin. We're gonna see something. Should be pretty easy, bro. I cut it some more. Wish I had a small Dremel. I'd be able to get up top. I'd be able to go straight down the middle like I want to. I hate laying on the ground. I can't wait to get a shot. Everybody, wear some glasses. Please wear some glasses. I ain't got enough, I'm just letting it do what it do. It's like right there. Let's cut all the way through. On, man. Now let's get this thing out of here. There it is. That ain't the way to do it, but that's the way we gonna do it. This the other tip. MBRP, 3-inch here, 4 inches on the other side, I think. Hey, when you do this, don't think you gotta cut it. It ain't. I promise you it ain't like that. That was just personal laziness, personal preference. Probably a personal fuck up if this shit don't fit right. That's gonna fit. Gotta get in there. It's not gonna fit. Okay, so you see we got that tip cut off, and this how it look from the side. I think I gotta beat it in a little more, but I'm guessing that's how it go, man. With them tips being like that, being that big, I guess beating in somewhere to go all the way right, then I could probably pry it to the left a little bit, get a little better fitment. But we gonna try to do something with that. I'm about to get this hood vent in and show y'all what that look like. We gotta get some silicone. Waiting on Joe bitch ass. The boost gauge, I gotta get a fitting for it, so this might be all one video, to be honest. So we got this on. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold or not. It was a prototype, so it was free. It looked damn good though. Just not sure if it's gonna hold. Got some welded shit on it. Got my boy back there. Do got the tips on, they look good. I'm gonna take it to the exhaust shop to get set in a little more. Probably get cut off and welded up a little better. Or I may do some side skirts. That'll fill it in a little better, but for the most part, the car look good. All right, so that's it for this video. We got the prototype on. Shout out to Zeta Performance. I'm gonna do the deck lid soon. Once I get the other one off, then I do got the Aquatara shit on the inside. I'll show you that right fast. But just look at that back there. We got the quad tips on. One was bent, and that's what I get. I bought it off American Muscle like that, so it's fine. I'm gonna get that rounded out. But I'm out, man.